Hello and welcome to our DSPPA channel. In this video, we will go through 4 steps to understand the frequency pairing of the D5821 True Diversity wireless microphone system. Step 1. Let's start by checking the numerical value on the microphone screen and ensuring it matches the display on the D5812 receiver. Step 2. How do we pair the frequencies? First, locate the IR position on the receiver and then on the microphone, and bring them closer together. Next, select channel 1 on the display and press the set button. You'll notice the microphone flashing, and if the frequency values match, it means the pairing was successful. Repeat the same process for the second wireless microphone. Step 3. Check the microphone's volume. Tap and you'll see the RF bar flashing. If it's flashing but there's no sound, here's how to resolve it. If the main receiver is connected to the aux1 input of the amplifier, then adjust the corresponding aux1 volume knob clockwise on the amplifier. Do the same for the other 2 amplifiers below. If you find the microphone volume too low, you can also turn the aux1 knob on the front panel of the amplifier clockwise to increase the microphone volume. Conversely, turn it counterclockwise to decrease the microphone volume. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further technical questions or equipment-related issues, please don't hesitate to contact us.